Hi, I'm Rob Giotti, Dorset Town Manager, standing in front of the old town office here in East Dorset, and the demolition for the building starts this week. There's probably 2 to 3 days of demo work that's going to happen in preparation to get the building down, to reclaim the site and turn the property into a park, which is going to be nice for the neighborhood.
Hi, I'm Jim Komar. I've lived in East Dorset since 1980. This is the way the town office looked when we came here. And it was a small building that looked kind of like a Cape-style house. And the sign across the front was here. I remember that well. And sometime after we came here, the building was expanded. And the new building was built right over the top of the old building. So the cement structure has always been under there. And I think this is the last part to come down, and it'll take longer than taking the rest of the building down ahead of it. And when it's done and cleared and spring comes, we're going to develop a nice green space here with a gazebo or a pavilion of some type, and convert it into a nice gathering place for the neighborhood.